Dry ice is the solid form of carbon dioxide, a colorless, odorless, and naturally occurring gas found in Earth's atmosphere, and it is widely known for producing thick, foggy vapor when it sublimates, meaning it transitions directly from a solid into a gas without becoming liquid. This transformation occurs because dry ice has a temperature of -78.5 degrees Celsius to 109.3 degrees Fahrenheit, far below the freezing point of water, making it extremely cold to the touch and highly effective for cooling applications where traditional ice would melt and create unwanted moisture. Dry ice is produced by compressing and cooling carbon dioxide gas until it liquefies, then releasing the pressure so the liquid rapidly expands and freezes into dense, snow-like particles that are pressed into blocks, pellets, or nuggets for commercial use. Due to its intense cold, contact with dry ice can cause frostbite or severe skin damage, so it must be handled using insulated gloves or specialized tools. It is widely used in food storage, shipping, and transportation because it keeps items frozen for long periods without leaving behind water, making it ideal for perishable goods, laboratory samples, vaccines, and even forensic materials. In entertainment and theatrical settings, dry ice is frequently used to create dramatic fog effects when placed into warm water, releasing dense, white smoke that stays close to the ground due to its high density compared to normal air. While dry ice is safe when used properly, it must only be used in well-ventilated areas because the sublimated carbon dioxide gas can displace oxygen, potentially causing dizziness, headaches, breathing difficulty, or unconsciousness in confined spaces. It should never be stored in tightly sealed containers, as the buildup of gas pressure can cause the container to explode. Overall, dry ice is a valuable, multifunctional substance that combines cooling power, scientific utility, and visual effects, but must always be used responsibly and with proper safety precautions.